Right, Amy, what are you making the people today?
We are making chicken curry.
Completely homemade, yeah?
Yep, because it's Saturday night. Well, it's not Saturday night, but it's Saturday. And it's curry night.
Okay, so what's so special about making your own curry? Obviously, you can just go out and buy the jarred sauces, but what's so special about making your own one? Because curry's one of them things that I think people think is a lot more difficult than what it needs to be.
Yes. And I think they look at the ingredients list and think, not a chance am I buying all that. Because it does look a lot, but once you've got them, you've got them.
And you don't really
And
need
you
that
can
much of them, do you?
No, this is literally it. But keep them to one side because you use all of them again in the sauce.
Okay.
I am going to show you how quick and simple it is and how next to no ingredients that you need and the difference in the quality, the goodness, the taste, everything.
Okay, so give us a quick rundown then of all the ingredients that are going in it that we've got here. Because this is your marinating for your chicken, isn't it?
This is the marinated for your chicken, but like I said, the exact same ingredients go in your sauce as well.
Okay.
So you need 1 teaspoon of paprika, cumin, coriander, chili powder, garam masala, and half a teaspoon of turmeric.
Turmeric, I say it's different wherever you come
Turmeric,
from.
and then
Is it hot chili powder or mild or what?
well, mild because we're mild horses, but you can use hot if you
Can
want.
use hot, right?
If you want it like a little bit spicier.
So that's
you can do
basically
spice.
all that's going in there.
That's
That's not that garlic. That's all that's going in with the spice as far as the spices go for the marinade.
yeah, and then you want 3 cloves of garlic, a little bit of salt, and some yogurt.
And just your chicken breast. Can you do it with thighs or can you do it with thighs?
Yeah.
Yeah? Just your preference.
Yep.
Okay, go on then, crack
So
on,
we're
let's see what we
using
do.
Greek yogurt because that's what I've got. You can use natural yogurt, any yogurt, doesn't really matter. You can marinate it overnight, you can marinate it for 2 hours. Just doesn't matter. Chuck all of these in. I hope they don't go spilling all the way out on the side. And then we're going in with 3 of these. Just use your fingers. There we go.
Right, so that's literally all of your ingredients for your marinade.
Yeah, bit of salt. I've just wet my hands, so I'm just going to shake it, because if not, the salt's going to stick to me. That'll do.
And now what? Simple as just giving it a mix up, yeah?
Mix it up.
So once all that's mixed up, how long are you going to leave that? Obviously, ideally
Again.
leave it as long as you possibly can.
So I've left it overnight before and I've left it for 2 hours. Honestly, couldn't tell the difference. I thought you would do, but I personally could not tell the difference between overnight and 2 hours. So today, I'm going to leave this 2 hours because we're having it tonight. But if you want to get it ready before you go work, if you're coming home and cooking it after work, then you can get it ready the night before and just leave it in the fridge.
Right, okay.
This is so quick and simple. You can put it in the slow cooker in the morning and leave it all day. With the sauce, obviously.
I know, but I think sometimes the point with curry is I don't think people quite realise that a lot of your flavour in your curry comes from all the marinade in the chicken that it's sitting in.
Yeah.
Like you would think it comes from the sauce because that's the illusion that shop sauces give you. But most of the flavour in a proper curry comes from the meat that's been marinated in whatever it's been sat in it.
I've been trying to make a curry for years and I could never do it because it always tasted like bolognese. I still to this day do not know what I did wrong. I personally think I overcomplicated it and now I've done it this way.
Just simplified it right down.
Yeah, there's nothing to it. There's literally nothing to it. Mine used to taste like bolognese. The sauce was too like tomato base.
Yeah.
And I don't think I ever really marinated my chicken either. So yeah, There we go. Done.
There
now
we
I'm
go.
just going to put some cling film over it, put it in the fridge for maybe just under 2 hours actually, and then we'll go from there.
That chicken smells beautiful, Ames.
I know. Stinks your fridge out, to be honest.
Oh, look. Does smell nice though, doesn't it?
Right, so
Ready for cooking now, we go.
you need to get your pan hot, olive oil. Now you're going to cook this through, not completely, but sort of. And then take it...
Whoa. Stop. What do you mean, sort of?
Sort
You
of.
confused me then.
Sort of cook it through.
What do you mean?
Brown it off, don't brown it off.
Okay.
Because we're going to put it back in a clean bowl, not in this one. And then you cook your sauce and then you add the chicken back in.
Okay.
And then it'll finish off cooking as it's simmering.
Right, okay.
So we're going to put that in there. Get all that out. Like that. Get some... Oh.
So basically, we're just getting this to like 90% of the way.
Yeah. Chicken doesn't take as long as what people think it does.
No, it doesn't, but it's one of them things that people are just really frightened of because it's the one food, the one meat that you can eat that'll make you really poorly if it's just ever so slightly undercooked.
Yeah.
It'll cook you if you don't cook it properly.
It'll cook your bum.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just want to get a bit of colour on it, even though it's got colour on it. Just cook it a bit.
Here we go. So this is where the chicken's now sort of done.
Sort of done.
Sort of done.
You get the drift.
I didn't at first, so that's the problem.
So it's like white on the outside.
Yeah, okay. Just don't look what it is on the middle.
No, don't eat it just yet. Don't go and put it on a butty or shove it in a wrap. So, remove the chicken. Now, leaving all them juices in there.
All them.
All them. Onions.
Would you like me to squirt some oil in there?
A little bit, please.
There you go. Have you noticed how
Might
our
as
little
well-
bit is such a load less than a chef's little bit?
Make yourself useful.
When they say like a drizzle of olive oil, it's half a bottle.
Yeah, no. Or a pinch of salt. And you
Yeah.
think,
It's like a ladle.
sometimes I think I put a lot of salt in, but Christ.
I think it makes a difference though. Like that's what makes your food, what gives your food the flavour that they get with theirs. Right, what have we just chucked in there?
Onions.
Sorry, I distracted you.
Onions.
Onions. Have you put them garlics in there or not?
Nope.
Or are you crushing them?
Pushing them.
Okay.
Not yet though. Hold your horses. Right. Oh!
She has!
I have!
Put the garlic cloves in there. I knew she. I knew you had.
I have put them in.
I knew you had.
I thought that's a big chunk of onion. Right, there should be 3. There it is.
There it is. We saved it. So don't put the garlic in there.
No.
Just put your onions
Don't.
in there. How many onions have you put in there? You've used 2 shallots, haven't you?
I've used 2
Yeah.
shallots to do a tiny. So now, you want your seasoning back. Only 5 of them though.
Right. Which one aren't you using? So don't use what?
Paprika.
Right.
Don't use the paprika. So, coriander. 2 of these. 2 teaspoons of coriander.
Okay.
Like that. 2 teaspoons of cumin. Turmeric. Half. Pretty much 1. Garam masala. 1.
Okay.
Mild chili powder or hot chili powder, depending on how you like your curry. We do not like it spicy. Oh, although we're going to end up having it spicy. So we are going in with 1.
Right. So what were you saying then? Don't worry about all the anything sticking to the bottom.
Don't worry about all that
come in
because
and
the
lift it all
passa's
off,
going to
isn't
go
it?
in and then you're going to do this.
Well, the passata's going to lift it all off in it with the cooking.
Yes. So, 250ml of passata or chopped tomatoes.
Ooh.
Now,
This way you're going to give it a scrub.
this way I do this.
Way do you what? Show again.
That's about right.
So obviously that's now going to lift all that stuff off the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah. See? You can see it.
Yeah.
All that. So, don't panic.
All that lovely flavour.
It doesn't matter. Then, we're going to go in with
250 of water, that is.
That's 200.
That's 250.
That,
Oh, it's
my
200.
friend, is 200.
Sorry, I measured the water.
If you want to do a job properly, do it yourself. Pour that in there. Like that. There we go. Now this is where you add your chicken back in.
And you splosh it everywhere when you put it in.
Oh God, oh God. Like that. See how easy it is? Is this difficult? No, it is not.
What are you doing about your garlic that you took out?
Oh, I forgot about that. Garlic! Garlic!
If you want a job doing, do it yourself.
Garlic! Crush your garlic!
It's probably really, I wouldn't bother doing that now, because you've cooked it and it's probably really soft.
It's fine.
It's fine!
It's fine. It's fine. Mix in your garlic. Next, we're going to add 200ml of double cream.
Eyeballing it, yeah?
Yep.
No pressure cooking, is there?
100, 200, a little bit more. 100, 200. That's about right. Oh, yeah, 200.
This is the thing. People feel a lot of pressure cooking, don't they? And it
As you
really
can
doesn't
tell,
have to be.
I do not.
It really doesn't have to be. You don't have to be frightened. You can just measure stuff as you go. Just eyeball it.
Now, at this point, don't panic like I did. Because when I saw this, I thought, oh heck,
What's that, baby sick?
it looks like you've ate that raw chicken and this is what was supposed to come out the next day. We are going to leave it to simmer. And then we'll come back and I'll show you that you've not pooped it. It's...
Oh, are we looking, Amy? Are we done?
Look at that!
Oh,
See? Told you not to panic.
that's just
All
been
is
left and it
good.
just simmering.
Yeah. The only thing that I do add into it, I like to add a little bit of corn flour to thicken it up. Because if not, it's a bit too watery for me.
Yeah, so obviously that's something that's just your own personal preference and how you like your textures.
Yes.
So, we're going to get it plated up. You wait till you see all this plated up now. There we have
Look
it!
at that.
That looked absolutely stunning. I can't wait to get that eat.
And how easy was that? So we started it 3 and a bit hours ago, and that includes 2 hours of the marinade.
Yeah, so obviously just go off and do what you need to do during that time.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
really quick.
Don't feel any pressure, people. You can get a curry cooked. Don't have to worry about it. It's not complicated. It's not hard, and it tastes so much better than the jars, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's got nothing in there that isn't good for you.
Give it a go.
Nothing.
Any questions about the recipe? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget,
Subscribe to the channel.